Hey, in this video we are going to learn how to log into your casino on FireKirin. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet and find and open FireKirin application on your device. After that, use the username or email you register with and enter the password associated with your account. If you want to save the credentials on your device, click on Remember Me button. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forget link and follow the instruction to reset it. After you have entered your credentials, tap on Login button. You need to ensure that your account isn't locked or suspended. If you are using a browser, clear the cache or try logging in using a different web browser or device if you are having issues while logging. So that is how you can log in casino on FireKirin. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.